What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see behind me, I have my Evo 8. She's been sitting for some time, but today we're gonna be adding a new mod that is much needed. So if you guys may or may not know, I have been debating on what I'm doing with the Evo. I feel like I've been saying that for some time now, but I have officially decided I am going to take it out to the firm, which is a circuit track here in Florida. I want to see what this Evo can do, and we'll see just how I like circuit racing. I really want to do a different style of racing. I don't need another drag car. The drag racing takes up a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of parts, and the Evos are fragile when it comes to drag racing, so just not something that I want to do. And I think it'd be really awesome to have something different on the channel, different form of racing, different form of content, and I feel like it would be a lot of fun, honestly. This car handles turns amazing. It handles just so well. I almost can relate it to a go-kart, like the way the wheel handles, it's so responsive, and I think it'll be really fun to circuit race, so I'm excited to give it a try. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and installing the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro Dashcam. Here you guys have it, the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro Dashcam. This dashcam is truly one of the best ones on the market, and here's why. It has been focused on the dashcam field since 2015. It has 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze day or night, voice control, and GPS. It also has 4 different parking modes for 24/7 protection. Overall, Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro is a solid choice for anyone who values safety. This device is truly worth every penny. Now that we have the unboxing done, this is very simple to install, and I'm going to show you guys today me installing this in my Evo. Open the first page, and here you go. You can literally scan this, and it'll tell you to choose your language, which we are going with English. And here you have your user manual on your phone, which is pretty awesome. You have your table of contents going over everything that's in the box, your camera overview, and the installation. So here you have the actual dash cam, you have the rear camera, and this is the cord that basically will connect from front to back to connect to the rear. And here is your power supply. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by installing the front camera. So first things first, you wanna make sure that you install your memory card into your dash cam. Once you pop the memory card in, you want to go ahead and install the front camera mount. Here, click. Once you have your camera mount on, you have the power supply. You have 2 sides, one that plugs into your cigarette lighter, and you have a USB-C side that plugs in where the camera mount is. You see that plug right here. And that'll plug in there just like that. Next, you have your circular polarizer. This is gonna help reflect sun and just make the visuals way better. So you wanna go ahead and install this before installing the cam in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these covers. We have another cover back here. And let's go ahead inside the Evo and see what this thing looks like turned on. So we're in my Evo 8 right now. We're gonna go ahead and give this thing some power, format the SD card, and see how this looks. Again, this is 4K quality, so I am super excited to put this thing to use. This thing can read license plates at night. It has so many awesome features, as I mentioned before, and I just can't wait to use it during the day and also at the track. God forbid anything happens while I'm circuit racing, I have everything recorded. That, and you guys already know how it is driving here in Orlando. It is crazy. We have drivers from all over, all ages, so you always have to be protected and make sure that you are good to go. What's crazy is that the other day I was driving in my truck, and thank God I was paying attention. I looked up and there was literally a car that spun out right in front of me, guys, and he was facing me. His headlights were literally facing me. He went from the middle lane blew a tire so bad that he spun, and I saw him facing me, and I like panicked, and then next you know he slid over to the grass. But that could have been bad, and a dash cam could have had all of that recorded, because you guys already know how it is. We are in 2024, and people are always just changing up stories, and you just can't trust people nowadays. Footage is essential. It is basically to cover your ends, protect you, and it's just pretty awesome feature to have. So let's go ahead and get this thing powered up. Just surprised myself with this little wire tuck. I am no wire tuck specialist, but I'm telling you, with this tool that Vantrue provided, makes it seamless. I was able to hide the wire pretty good. Still have some slight work. I think I could do it a lot better, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Let me show you guys. Honestly, this tool has been a lifesaver. It works so good to get it into these little crevices. And I'm pretty much all tucked. You can't even tell that the wire is coming from the front camera all the way to the back. Now that we have this installed, next thing, very last thing you want to do is download the Vantrue app. Now that we have the Wi-Fi successfully connected, you can see everything on the app. All right, much better. We got the film off of the back camera. We have a clear view of the rear, clear view of the interior, and clear view of the front. Now we're ready to go. If you are thinking or debating or have ever thought about getting a dash cam, what are you waiting for? This one is amazing, super easy to install, 4K quality, highly recommend. Now that I have all of this installed, I'm gonna prep the Evo. I have not driven it in some time, so I'm gonna just put some air in the tires, look over everything, and let's go get some E85 and put this dash cam to work. Well guys, here's my plans to leave. I was literally just about to take the Evo out and Mother Nature took a turn. Gotta love Florida in the summer. It gets pretty nasty. We have the install complete. Tomorrow I will come back and take the Evo out and we can get some footage of me driving and just seeing how the quality is on the dash cam. I'm really excited. Sucks that it started raining, but it's Florida, it's summer. So let's try again tomorrow. We're back, day 2. Weather's looking much better. I have a few errands to run and I'm gonna hit the gym very last. So let's put this dash cam to work. We're out and about now. This is so cool how you can get a live preview of everything while you're driving. I'm in love with this thing. This is so sick. So far, this thing is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. The quality is absolutely insane, and it is so cool how I can mirror it on my phone and also have it on display too. Super sick feature. I'm at my first stop now, about to drop off some orders, which I want to thank you guys so much for supporting. I have a lot of new merch that I just dropped, and it has been selling so fast. I've sold out of so much things. If you haven't checked it out, guys, check it out, joannagmarie.com. we made it back home safely. This camera is the truth, as you guys can see from the footage. It works just as good at night as it does during the day. I'm so happy that I now have this. You guys saw some of the Orlando traffic. It gets absolutely crazy. And that was just a little taste of the traffic that we experience. I honestly feel so much safer and secure having this camera. You just never know what can happen. I am actually gonna get some for my other vehicles as well, because now that I have it on this one, I cannot imagine driving without a dash cam now. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this inspires you to go and get you a Vantrue dash cam. It is the best. You can find it on Amazon. I'll leave everything in the link in the description box below. So check it out, guys, and thank you for watching. As I say, trust the process, never give up.